Your younger self is still waiting, still hoping you'll keep your word. That life you imagined is not gone, it's waiting, and now you know how to reclaim it. Discipline will keep you strong. Curiosity will keep you alive. Service will keep you fulfilled. Joy will keep you moving. Presence will keep you grounded. This is a life you promised. Don't let it fade into memory. Reclaim it, starting now. Every day you face a crossroad. One road leads to distraction, regret, and wasted time. The other leads to growth, joy, and purpose. The choice seems small, but it shapes your life. 5 more minutes on your phone, that's a step backward. 5 more minutes chasing your dream, that's a step forward. The future isn't built in leaps, it's built in choices. Every day, every decision writes your story. Do you choose the easy scroll or the hard step forward? One keeps you stuck, the other sets you free. Joy doesn't happen by accident, it's designed. If you don't plan for fun, boredom takes over. If you don't create adventure, scrolling replaces it. Every week should have something to look forward to. It doesn't need to cost money. It could be a hike, a new recipe, or a hobby. Joy is built by intention, not chance. Design your schedule around excitement. Choose activities that fill your heart, not drain it. Joy strengthens your resilience. Joy erases your need for escape. Joy keeps the promise alive. The promise you made wasn't just about success. It was also about meaning. And meaning comes through service. Serving others lightens your burdens. It makes your problems feel smaller. It connects you to people in ways scrolling never will. When you give, your heart grows. When you serve, your soul shines. A king is never remembered for what he owned. He is remembered for how he gave. Your promise to yourself includes impact, and service is how you fulfill it. The life you promise cannot exist if you're never present. Presence is noticing the laughter at the dinner table. Presence is watching the sunrise without posting it. Presence is enjoying the moment without distraction. We live so much in the future and online, we miss the day. But the present is where the future is built. The present is where joy is experienced. The present is where peace is felt. Your promised life doesn't wait for someday. It exists in the now, and the more present you are, the more alive you feel. Presence is the real luxury. Scrolling is the engine of comparison. You look, you compare, you shrink. Someone else looks richer, happier, more successful, and you feel smaller with every swipe. But creation breaks that cycle. Write, build, paint, hustle. Creation gives you proof that you're alive. It gives you something no light can replace. Even a small creation shifts your perspective. Stop measuring life by others' highlight reels. Start building your own. That's how the promise comes alive again. The fun life you promised thrives on curiosity. Not blind repetition, not endless scrolling, but exploration. Curiosity is the spark that makes life exciting again. Read new books. Ask bold questions. Travel to new places, even within your own city. Try hobbies you've never touched before. When you were a child, curiosity came naturally. You explored everything with wonder and excitement. Now, as an adult, it must be intentional. Curiosity destroys boredom. Curiosity builds confidence. Curiosity will lead you back to yourself. Dreams don't fade because they're impossible. They fade because we run out of energy to chase them. Scrolling drains your mind. Overthinking drains your spirit. Neglecting yourself drains your body. But energy can be rebuilt. It starts with simple choices: movement, food, sleep. It grows with discipline, showing up even when you're tired. When energy rises, passion returns. When energy grows, hope breathes again. And with energy, the promise feels alive once more. Guard your energy. It is your true wealth. Look around. Our world is designed to distract you. Apps, ads, endless scrolling. They steal your attention daily. And every stolen minute is a stolen piece of your future. Distraction feels harmless, but it kills dreams silently. It robs you of focus, creativity, and drive. The promise you once made cannot survive in a distracted mind. It requires focus, energy, and clarity. So you must draw a line. No more wasted hours. Your attention is your currency. It must be protected. Because when attention is stolen, so is your destiny. Choose focus over distraction. Choose life over scrolling. There was a moment in your life when you swore things would be different. You told yourself, one day, I'll live with freedom, joy, and success. That promise was made with fire in your heart. But then reality stepped in. Bills piled up, stress grew heavy, and somewhere along the way, the dream faded. Not because it was impossible, but because distractions drowned it. The promise never truly died. It's still inside you, waiting for you to remember. Your younger self is still watching, still hoping. The question is simple. Will you keep your word, or let that promise vanish forever?